People think Figma is just a design app. In reality, it changed how teams work. So much that Adobe bought it for $20 billion. Back in 2012, Dylan Field, a student, noticed one problem. Design tools were outdated. You had to install heavy programs and juggle endless file versions. His bold idea? Design should live in the browser, with real-time collaboration like Google Docs. It took years to build, but when Figma launched, people loved it instantly. No downloads, no version chaos, just teamwork in one place. And since it was free at first, students and startups spread it everywhere. By 2022, Figma had become the standard for companies like Microsoft and Uber. Adobe saw they couldn't compete and simply bought it. The lesson is clear. Don't just improve the rules. Rewrite them. And even the giants will have to follow.